This is my version of cooking sekihan, a Japanese rice, red bean with glutinous rice. I will cook about 3 cups rice. So first, let's wash and put 3 cups water, including the red bean water. This is the already cooked red bean, so let's put and mix it. After mixing, let's cook in a rice cooker, and it will take about 30 to 40 minutes cooking time. Let's open, and this is the already cooked sekihan and ready to eat. Before eating, let's sprinkle black sesame seed and salt. So thank you for watching.